are going to see in my today's program, I am going to see how to install AutoCAD 2007. In the next episode, we are going to see about different software installations, that is Tekla structure, Ruta structure, chip architect, and the like. We will see so many civil engineering softwares, how we install it. After installation, we are going to see how we will apply it. So let us go directly to the installation. So how we will install AutoCAD 2007. German Muhajji from friends, let us remind you, please subscribe our channel, which is Civil Engineering Mind, so that we can work more for the next consecutive lecture notes. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Installation, brothers and sisters, don't forget to subscribe our channel, Civil Engineering Mind. Please subscribe.